The first, we are going to learn about the grammar of ba nani nani hodo. The grammar of ba nani nani hodo is mean the more dot something and the more. So how to use the grammar of ba nani nani hodo? In Japanese, they will use the verb with. When you use the verb with the ba hodo, that means you have to change the verb form to be the ba condition and plus the same verb and end by hodo. If you use with the adjective, you should change the adjective to the form of kereba, which means that if you use with the e adjective, that means you cut the e out of the adjective and end by kereba. For example, yasashi kereba, something like this. Yasashi hodo, something like this. And for the na adjective, you just end by the nara and the same na adjective and na hodo. So when they use the grammar of ba nani nani hodo, they use with the three things. The first, verb. The second, e adjective, and the third is na adjective. So please, you should remember how to use with the ba hodo. That means you should change the verb or the adjective to the form of ba. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of ba hodo, the next we are going to see some example of how to use. The first example, ビートルズの音楽は聴けば聴くほど好きになります。ビートルズの音楽は聴けば聴くほど好きになります。Which means, the more I listen to the Beatles, the more I end up liking the music. The more I listen to the Beatles, the more I end up liking the music. The next example, 勉強すればするほど日本語が上手になりますよ。勉強すればするほど日本語が上手になりますよ。Which means, the more you study, the better your Japanese you get better. The more you study, the better your Japanese you get. In this sentence, you see that they use with the verb of 勉強する. So in the する form, you can change to the ba form. 勉すればするほど. Or you can say 勉強すれば勉強するほど日本語が上手になりますよ。Or you can just say 勉強すればするほど日本語が上手になりますよ。It just had the same meaning. The next, パソコンは操作が簡単なら簡単なほどいいです。パソコンは操作が簡単なら簡単なほどいいです。Which means, the easier the computer is to use, the better. The easier the computer is to use, the better. In this sentence, you will see that they will use the na adjective, right? Kantan is na adjective. So you see that we use kantan nara, kantan na hodo, something like this. The next example, ゲームは相手が強ければ強いほど面白いです。ゲームは相手が強ければ強いほど面白いです。Which means, games get more interesting as the opponents get stronger. games get more interesting as the opponents get stronger. For the second sentence in here, they will use the EHT tsuyoi, right? So when you use the EHT with the bar HODO, that means you should cut the E out of the HT tsuyoi, right? So they cut out of the HT, so we just have only tsuyo kereba and continue by that HT tsuyoi HODO. Omoshiroi desu. Something like this. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。